In this question, you have to identify what is being depicted by the QRS complex in a ECG. Now, in electrocardiography, that is ECG or EKG, the QRS complex is a waveform that is observed in the electrical activity of the heart, and this complex is characterized by three distinct deflections Q, R, and S waves, which signify depolarization events occurring in the cardiac muscle. Now let's evaluate the options. Option A, depolarization of ventricles. The QRS complex in an ECG do represent the depolarization of the ventricles, which leads to ventricular contraction, that is the systole. And this is the main electrical event which is responsible for pumping blood from the heart to the rest of the body. Hence, this is the correct option. Option B, repolarization of ventricles. This is incorrect. The repolarization of the ventricles is represented by the T wave and not the QRS complex. Option C, repolarization of auricles. This is also incorrect because the repolarization of the auricles is masked by the QRS complex because it occurs simultaneously with the ventricular depolarization, making it hard for the ECG machine to represent it. Option D, depolarization of auricles. This is also incorrect. The depolarization of auricles is represented by the P wave and not the QRS complex.